guys, Adam here, coming to you live today from beautiful Ubud in Bali, and I just wanted to take you inside, show you a little bit of a tour of where I'm actually staying right now, which is super cool. I'm staying here in this villa which I've rented. As you can see in behind me, we've got sort of like 2 fish ponds in behind us and a couple of rooms just as you walk inside here, which is really cool. Behind me here is the first sort of setup, and on the other side there's another big beautiful room in there, and then you come into the main house, which I'm just going to swing around so you can see. It's like this gorgeous, what they call a joglo style home, which is all made of wood. It's absolutely stunning. If we just go back here, you can see there's a nice chilled sort of seating area, and then it comes around. We've got a little cat here on the floor making itself at home, and a bar. And these villas in Bali are just absolutely awesome. If you haven't been here before, it's just extraordinary the level of service that you get. We've got 4 house staff here. I'm staying here with one of my business partners, and it's just the 2 of us with 4 staff. Behind us here we have the kitchen, we have a menu. They're here from 7 until 3 every day, taking care of whatever we need. We've got meetings happening this week with other Amazon sellers and people that are in town from around the world. As you can see, we've got this fantastic kind of meeting area, and then out behind me we've got this amazing pool that goes out over the jungle here in Ubud, which is just so awesome. But what I wanted to talk to you about really quickly today is, I wanted to show you the kind of awesome lifestyle that's available once you have an income stream that is, not dependent on you being in any one spot in the world. And you'd be surprised how inexpensive a home like this actually is to rent in a place like Bali. This place I think is going to run around $3,000 a month for the house, the staff, the whole lot, which is actually really reasonable when you have a look at the standard of life that we're living over here. And last night, my friend Keith, who you can see behind me there, working away on the computer, working away, he's one of my business partners, also working in the Amazon universe. We went down to Cafe Clear in Ubud, and we randomly started talking to people there, and 2 of the people that were there at the cafe were both full-time Amazon sellers. One of them from Seattle in the US, and the other one was a human rights attorney from San Francisco who had turned into a full-time Amazon seller and now lives here in Ubud, chilling out, enjoying life, and able to travel whenever she wants. So it just goes to show that the caliber and the type of people that are interested in selling on Amazon and building brands and living this global lifestyle where you can stay in amazing places like what you've just seen is something that they want to do. Why wouldn't you want to travel and have an adventure and see the world and have a business that's earning you fantastic money? This fellow last night that we spoke to, just 8 months into Amazon, earning a net 6-figure, very strong 6-figure income. And his tips to us were, when we spoke to him, said, how did you get there so quickly? And he said, I spent about $15,000 on education, hiring coaches. I spend whatever I need to get to the smartest and the best people, and that shortcuts my journey, and then I implement like crazy. And so now he's able to travel the world, do really whatever he wants without having to worry about a job or going into work or doing anything. He works from a little co-working space here in Ubud called Ubud, which is a play on hub and Ubud, and it's right opposite the monkey forest, which is in town. So anyway, just a quick update today. I'm going to jump in the pool right now. We've just had breakfast, and I'm going to leave you to it. Have an awesome day. Bye for now.